We are here in a showroom that directly represents a prestige wall clock factory in China. Look at these models. Unique, beautiful, and hard to find anywhere else. These are real decorative pieces that breed prestige and bring a chic touch to any interior. You can order from just 12 pieces with prices starting at 55 RMB, around 7 USD. The best part, you are buying directly from the factory. No inflated prices, not like on Alibaba or other shopping platforms. The quality is top notch and the finishing perfect. We can ship worldwide directly from China to your door. If these clocks interest you, contact us now and subscribe to discover more treasures we source directly in China.